Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the design and simulation of a buck boost converter with a PID controller in MATLAB Simulink. A buck boost converter can operate in both step up and step down modes, and its output voltage polarity is negative with respect to the input. In this design we are considering a 250-watt buck boost converter. The minimum input voltage is 27V, maximum input voltage is 32V, and the operating input voltage is 30.7 V. The required output voltage is 12 V. Based on the output power and voltage, the load current and load resistance are calculated. The switching frequency is selected as 10 kHz. Using the design equations, the duty cycle, inductor value, and output capacitor value are calculated. These values are then used to create the Simulink model. The model includes a DC voltage source, IGBT with diode, inductor diode, output capacitor, load resistance, voltage measurement, current measurement, power calculation, PWM generator, and power guide block. Initially, the converter is operated in open loop mode using a fixed duty cycle. However, the output voltage is not accurately maintained at 12 V. To improve voltage regulation, a closed loop PID controller is introduced. The reference voltage is compared with the actual output voltage, and the error is given to the PID controller. The PID output controls the PWM generator. The PID controller is tuned using the PID tuner tool in MATLAB. After tuning, the controller parameters are updated automatically in the Simulink model. Now, the output voltage is regulated close to 12V with very small ripple. Finally, a step change in reference voltage is applied to verify the tracking performance. The converter successfully tracks the reference voltage variation, confirming the effectiveness of the PID controller. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.